Hello and welcome to this vocal meditation. My name is Abby, and I'm the creator of the SomaSong method of singing somatics. And today I have a meditation practice for you that can be used in a number of different ways. So you're going to watch me in real time do a vocal improvisation. I'll be using a Shruti box, which is a droning instrument, and I'll be layering some vocals on top of that. So I'll be singing some vocal lines and then using a looping pedal to layer harmonies on top of myself. So option one would be to take this as a kind of sound bath meditation. So just get into a restorative position, maybe lying down, maybe some sort of nice restorative yoga pose, and use this as a sound bath and just kind of let the sound wash over you. Option two, which is my recommended option, would be to use this as a vocal meditation. And so I invite you to actually sing or hum along with me. So it does not matter what you sing. It doesn't matter if you are matching my pitch, if you're singing something totally different. It doesn't matter how it sounds. Singing and humming and vocal toning is so good for us. It's so good for the nervous system. It's so good for our mental health, for the way that we feel, for expressing emotions. And anyone can do it. I don't care how you sound. If you do it from the privacy of your own home, nobody else cares how you sound. So I encourage you to sing along with me if you'd like. But if that's not what you're feeling today, that's all right too. Wherever you are, I invite you to just take a deep breath, settle in. Start to feel your body. Start to feel your breath. Inviting softness in your body and your breath, expansiveness. And finding a comfortable position for this practice. We'll go ahead and get started. Go ahead and take a breath. Check in. Notice how you feel now compared to how you felt at the beginning of this practice. Maybe place a hand on your heart. Breathe into that heart space. And thank yourself for taking this time. For taking this time to recharge, to refill your cup, so that maybe you can continue pouring out for others. Thank you for joining me, and I hope to see you next time. If you're interested in more information about SomaSong or some of my other offerings, I invite you to check the links in the description below. And give me a follow, maybe a comment, and maybe share this with a friend if this was helpful to you. Take care, and I'll see you next time.